Australian city of Melbourne. The driver climbed out of the cab just seconds before the blast. He suffered burns to his arms and legs, and another wall of flames up to 150 metres long burnt down the driveway of a nearby hotel, igniting two parked cars. The explosion happened during a fierce electrical storm.
We could see the fire, we could smell the smoke and feel the heat.
Crazy trying to get out of there. You know, what people started to panic and so forth.
We just had to leave cars here and just get out.